Hello, this video is going to be all about the product rule. The product rule gives us a method for evaluating the derivative of a function that is formed by taking the product of two or more simpler functions. This written as a formula would be f of x is equal to function h(x) of x times function g of x. And then to derive this, this is what you do. You get the derivative of the first one, of the first function, times it by the second function, and then you add the first function times the derivative of the second function. So that's the formula. Now for some questions. Okay. E.g. 1. F of x is equal to x squared minus 1 times x plus 5. So to take the derivative of this, you get the derivative of the first function, so x squared minus 1 dash, and times it by x plus 5. Then you add x squared minus 1 times x plus 5 dash. And this is written as 2x x times x plus 5 plus x squared minus 1 times 1. Because when you derive the function x plus 5, you get, obviously there's a 1 above the x, so it's 1 times x, and then you take away 1 power from the power, and you are left with 1. And obviously because 5 doesn't have anything there, it disappears. After you've done this, you can simplify it. That's the basic derivative there, but it's always better to simplify it. So it's simplified. It basically is x squared plus 10x plus x squared minus 1, and that equals 3x squared plus 10x minus 1. So that's my first example. E.g. 2. So f of x is equal to x to the 5th power times x squared plus 1 times 2x squared plus 3x. Notice this is a function that has more than two multiplications in between it. Okay, so first off I'm going to mark out where I'm going to be doing taking the derivative of each function. So first you go x to the power of the derivative of x to the power of 5 times x squared plus 1 times 2x squared plus 3x. Then you go plus x to the power of 5 times the derivative of x squared plus 1 times 2x squared plus 3x plus, I should probably continue that on the next line, plus x to the power of 5 times x squared plus 1 times the derivative of 2x squared plus 3x. Okay, so now to take the derivative of each one. So the derivative of 5x to the power of 5 is 5x to the power of 4 times x squared plus 1 2x squared plus 3x plus x to the power of 5 times the derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x times x squared plus 3x plus x to the power of 5 times times x squared plus 1 times the derivative of x squared plus 3x, which is 4x plus 3. So now you can simplify. This is the basic derivative form of it, and now you can simplify it so that it doesn't take up so much space. So this is equal to 10x to the power of 8 plus 15x to the power of 7 plus 10x to the power of 6 plus 15x to the power of 5 plus 4x to the power of 8 plus 6x to the power of 7 plus 4x to the power of 8 plus 3x to the power of 7 plus 4x to the power of 6 plus 3x to the power of 5. And that simplified again down again, collecting like terms, is 18x to the power of 8 plus 24x to the power of 7 plus 14x to the power of 6 plus 18x to the power of 5. And that's it. That's my video.